Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Bassplay 12, or Mitch as you guys know me. Today's video is going to be about what do you do when you're trying to play bass and trying to learn a lick and it just goes way too fast and you just don't know what's being played on the video that you're trying to copy. Check this out. Believe me, I totally know the frustration and you're just trying to hear it and it doesn't come through. So I have a solution for you. It was right in front of my eyes the whole time. Check this out and it's really super cool. Okay, so I'm trying to learn this bass cover of Kiss Me by Magic, and this crazy bass line comes in. Let me show it to you real quick. What the heck was that? So here's all you do. You come over here to your gear in the lower right of the video. Just go ahead and click it and just go to speed. And just go ahead and hit, you're going to hit above the normal here. Actually, it's below. So you're just going to slow the speed down. And let's go ahead and back it up. So it's going to go ahead and slow the speed down, and the nice thing about it, it doesn't change any of the notes of what you're playing. You would think that it would change the notes, but it keeps it in the true original notes of the video. So it's going to slow it down for you, and no, I'm not going to guarantee it's going to be perfect because you can't, practice the speed, the slow speed. You have to go back to normal speed, but it does help you figure out the hearing it a little better and seeing where the fingers might be placed, just if you're having a hard time with those parts. So guys, hopefully that helps you. I definitely have tried this out already, and I'm still working on, getting it to be the perfect speed and getting it as fast as I need to be, but it definitely allows me to see it and hear it better. Okay guys, hopefully this helped. I am Bassplay 12. I will catch you later.